You have a audio bug on Destiny 2. Okay, we are going to solve this problem, okay, in Destiny 2, step by step. Okay, the first step, you go to the on Windows, you go to here on the sound, okay, and right click and go to the settings to sound, okay, and here you have in sound, okay, on the settings on Windows, you scrolling down, okay, and go to the here, okay, and here you go to the headset, okay, your headset, for example, my headset, okay, and you go here, scrolling down, and you put, okay, the volume, okay, to 100, okay, and you solve this problem. Bye bye.